Once again, good morning everybody. This is Teacher Joker again, and today class our subject is science. So for today, we're going to do an activity about food chain. Okay, so ready? So to start with, kindly open your workbook on page 18 since your activity is there. Okay, let's start now. So we have here our activity last time, and we're going to continue answering letter D and letter E. So on letter A, construct a food chain involving those organisms. And what are those organisms? We have grasshopper, rice plant, eagle, and chicken. So first is we have the producer, and that is no other than rice plant. And then grasshopper eats the rice plant, and then the chicken eats the grasshopper, and the eagle eats the chicken. Okay, so that's the arrangement of our food chain. So let's proceed on letter D. What happens to the rice plants if all the grasshoppers die due to a disease? Okay, what will happen to the rice plant if grasshopper will die? The grasshopper there are the ones who eat rice plant. So what will happen to the rice plant? Probably, if all grasshoppers will die, then rice plant will be able to grow and produce more rice. Okay? Because no more grasshopper to eat the rice plant. Letter E. A group of rats are found in this paddy field recently. What will happen to the rice plants? Okay, if there are many rats in the field, what will happen to the rice plants? Eventually, the rice plant will be eaten by the rats. Okay? And give you a reason. Rice plant is a source of food for the rats. Meaning, why is it that the rat eats the rice plant? Because it's their food. It's a source of food for them. Okay? So if there are rats in the fields, rice plants will be eaten. Okay, so that's the answer on letter D and letter E. So now it's your turn to answer those questions on page 18 on your workbook. So again, letter D, what happens to the rice plants if all the grasshoppers die due to a disease? Letter E, a group of rats are found in this paddy field recently. What will happen to the rice plants? And then give you a reason. Okay, so I gave you the clue on how to answer. So now it's up to you on how you're going to answer the following questions. Okay, so that ends our activity for today in science, and see you again on our next subject.